What's up, guys? It has been a very long time since I have done an update with the Shore Trooper armor, so I figured I would just give you guys a little what's going on, where I've been, how everything's going. And I kind of wish I would have documented a little bit more in between different steps and whatnot, because I feel like there were a lot of parts or situations I ran into where it would have been great to put up a how-to video or a hey, I got stuck video, how can you fix it video. So right now, as you can see, we started the painting process. We have a lot of the armor put together. Not everything is printed yet. Right now we are printing the belt boxes. There's a set of the smalls. There's a set of the mediums going right now. And we still have to assemble the legs and the shin armor, and we're still painting with the, the kidney armor and whatnot. Ran into a couple of issues with the collar piece. As you could see, we didn't line up the way we should have, and that was definitely a printing issue. So my only options are to reprint, or I do have a heat gun and we might actually just try and bend it down. And if that doesn't work, we'll just reprint and reset. Been doing the weathering. That's been fun. Different colors. A lot of masking with blue tape to get specific colors out. We started putting the back boxes together. We have a whole entire box of rifle pieces. These still have to go, we have to go through these. Here's some more stuff that's primed or not put together yet. And that's where we're at. I wish I can give you guys more of an update. Well, we did get another 3D printer. We picked up a Prusa Mini. It has not been put together yet, so we have to still assemble that. But overall, having a blast doing this. And I hope you guys are following along, and I hope anybody who is doing their armor builds everything's going smoothly. And I hope to hear from some of you guys and talk soon.